Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The United States experienced 1,376 tornadoes last year, double the previous record as a result of the rapidly changing climate, according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. With this tornado increasing in frequency and severity, now is a great time to learn what your homeowner's insurance covers if your home is hit. Home insurance does cover tornado damage, while other natural disasters like earthquake and flood require separate insurance policies. The tornadoes don't. Different types of tornado damage may be treated differently and be subject to different limits depending on your policy. For example, let's say that a tornado hits your home and the windows along the back of your home shatter. In this scenario, your dwelling coverage would pay for the damage to your window and any other damage to home itself. This damage may or may not be subject to a wind damage deductible, depending on your policy terms. Choosing a homeowner's insurance policy for tornado damage and deciding how much coverage you need depends on your personal financial situation and also the risk tolerance. While lower coverage limits and higher deductible can save you money on your policy premium, you may end up regretting that your decision if you're hit by a tornado and don't have enough cash to cover the gap. If you live in an area prone to tornadoes, keep these types of coverage in mind when you want to looking for a policy. First, windstorm insurance. While homeowners insurance already includes windstorm damage, you may want more coverage that is standard. This can be added on as a rider to an existing policy, or you can purchase a separate policy entirely. Second, loss of use coverage. Tornadoes frequently displace people from their homes for long periods of time. Make sure your loss of use coverage limits are high so that you can receive reimbursement for additional living expenses, like hotel, food, while your home is being repaired. Third, other structures coverage. Tornadoes are wind-based disasters and frequently cause damage to smaller structures. To protect your sheds, garage, pool houses, and other detached structures, make sure you have other structures coverage. The last, replacement cost coverage. Most policies consider the actual cost of your personal belongings, which can make it hard to replace them after a tornado. For example, the actual cash value of your couch when you bought your policy 10 years ago is likely much lower than what it would cost to replace it with a new couch today. In addition to making sure you have the right type of coverage, choosing what carrier to get coverage with is just as important. While the small local insurance providers may be an attractive option, consider what happens if every home that carrier serves is hit in the same storm. Making sure that you don't have the exact same home insurance carrier as your entire neighborhood can potentially save you some delay in filing a claim. Scheduling a meeting with an adjuster and receiving a settlement check should the worst happen. If you are concerned about what your current homeowner's policy covers, sit down with a licensed insurance agent or call your insurance carrier directly. Someone can help you understand exactly what is covered and what is not. Pay special attention to any home insurance exclusion on your policy as well. And don't be afraid to ask questions about anything you don't understand. The average cost for tornado insurance varies by state. Instead, with a higher risk of tornado, such as this in Tornado Alley, you can expect to pay more for your premium. The average annual premium on a residential policy from the Texas Windstorm Insurance Association, for instance, is approximately $1,750. Your individual rate will vary widely depending on the value of your home, your location, your home's individual risk, your claims history, your coverage limit, and your deductible. If you add on windstorm coverage, flood insurance, or additional loss of use coverage, your total homeowners insurance cost will be higher. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.